Superstar, but another comment that has sparked a controversy. And what exactly led even a superstar like Chiranjeevi to say what he did? Many are questioning, is this a patriarchal mindset or was it just an off-the-cuff remark? What happened? He said, and I quote it here, "Too many girls at home, too many daughters. Give birth to a boy." Chiranjeevi said that a girl child cannot uphold legacy. Grandkids have made the house a ladies' hostel. Now, possibly made it in as an off-the-cuff remark, but remember, for many, especially in a country where gender issues as a girl and a boy child have come to the fore often, what does this comment really mean? Let's listen in and let's decide what exactly was the comment that he made.
ఇంట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడల్లా నాకు మా గ్రాండ్ డాటర్స్ ఉన్నట్టు ఉండదు. ఒక లేడీస్ హాస్టల్ వార్డెన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది నాకు. లేడీస్ హాస్టల్ వార్డెన్ లాగా చుట్టూ ఆడపిల్లలే, ఒక్క మగాడు. చరణ్ ఈసారికి సరే ఇంకొక అబ్బాయిని కంటరా, మన లెగసీ కంటిన్యూ అవ్వాలరా అని కోరిక. తనకి అసలు ఈ ముద్దు ఈ అమ్మాయి అంటే మళ్ళీ ఇంకో అమ్మాయిని కంటడేమో నా భయం.
So initially, what he said, a woman hostel, a ladies hostel, it seemed to still be a joke. But that second half of the comment have caught many people off guard when he said that I asked my son to give birth to a boy so my legacy can continue. Just to tell you, his son and his daughter-in-law have given birth to a beautiful baby girl. We saw with much fanfare as well, they had done the traditions after the birth. He does say she's lovely and cute, but should he have been more careful? Apurva Jayachandran joins me on that. Apurva, tell us about this, because this is one of the big film families. I guess, especially not just in the southern states, but across India when we talk about film families. Brinda Adige also is joining me for the latest on that. Apurva, I just want a quick clarity from you before we go across to our social activists. You tell me, what exactly did he say? Is our translation correct? He tried to pass it off as a joke, but in India, still, there is an issue with regard to gender when it comes to, in some parts, with regard to children.
Well, that's right, Pooja. In fact, remember, this is one of the mega families that we're talking about. This is a family that has been known and been in cinema for decades and decades. And we've seen Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan, the entire lot there, who've been, a case of a centerfold family, cinema family there for the public. And to see such a star there who has been in presence of top leaders and top politicians to come out and say that I wish, my son has a son so that...
stay on with me. Apurva, stay on with me, because this has led to reactions as well. Social activist Brinda Adige also joins me. Brinda, you tell me. Should such casual, off-the-cuff remarks be allowed, be permitted? Let's take it as a joke. Or do you think underneath it could actually ignite a taboo we are long trying to suppress?
Yes, you're absolutely right. First and foremost, this is not casual at all, especially coming from somebody like Chiranjeevi, who is not only in the film arena, but he's also, dabbled here and there in politics. He has come for various campaigns with different people. And policies of the Constitution, constitutional policies talking about gender equality, so many of our schemes, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, all of that is to bring about a semblance in gender equity and equality. So when this man speaks like that, it just reeks of patriarchy and chauvinism. And when a person of this stature and caliber makes a casual remark like this and tells that it is a joke, that's even worse, because the message that comes from him then pours water on all the other work that we are doing to ensure that there is no female infanticide, to ensure that girls and boys are treated equally, to also ensure that there's no violence done on girls in the name of whatever. So this man...
And you're right, Brinda, what you're telling us, while a lot definitely has changed across India, but let's not forget there are still moments when you know that a girl child has been discarded, is abandoned, or isn't treated equally to her brother. So every statement that the most popular people in our country make have to be very cautious. Thank you very much, Brinda and Apurva, on this. Will a clarification come in from Chiranjeevi?